In today's video, I thought it would be helpful, guys, to show you how to Escovitch fish, and that's what I'm about to do. So let's get right into the video. So guys, to Escovitch my fish, here I have the fry fish already fried. If you have not seen the video on how I fried the fish, please go over to that video, guys, to see how I fry these fishes. The fishes are well fry dried. And guys, I need so you need your fry fish, the vinegar, a little bit of the granulated sugar I'm going to be using, pimento seed, allspice, and pepper. With the amount of fish I have, this, I'm not going to be putting too much hot pepper. The Scotch bonnet pepper, the onion, the carrot, and my mini sweet peppers. I don't have green ones. Okay, but I try to use one of every color that I have. If I had green, I would have put it there. So guys, I'm just going to be preparing these for you to see. So let me just cover the fish for now. And then I'm going to be preparing the hot pepper, the Scotch bonnet pepper, guys. So I'm just going to cut it up, okay? I'm going to cut it round. And you try to cut it in equal parts. I'm leaving the seed in also, guys. Let me see if I can zoom in here for you to see better. I'm leaving the seed in. If I had more fish, then I would have put more pepper. But you know what you can take, right, guys? So, cause seed and all, everything is going here. Yeah, so I'm cutting my peppers round. And that's the sauce I'm making for the Escovitch. And then I'm going to be working on the carrot. So I already peeled these ahead of time, just to speed up the process. I'm cutting it slant way, guys. Okay. I'm going to be julienne this the carrot here. So I'm going to be cutting it like slant way. Try to do even slices. Okay, and that's what I'm gonna be doing for all the carrot. So guys, now I'm gonna be working on my pepper. My mini pepper is here, the bell pepper. So I'm just gonna be cutting them this way. I'm just gonna be using a piece of each color because I don't have a lot of fish there. So just a piece of each color. This is orange, guys. They both look like the same color, but that's orange and this is yellow. And then I'm gonna be julienne in these things, cutting them in equal sizes. So this is how you prepare your ingredients for the sauce to Escovitch your fish, guys. And then now I'm gonna be working on the onion. So the onion, I'm just gonna be cutting them in round slices. Maybe I should cut half first, because I don't think I need all of this. Or I'll start from this end, then I'll try this end. I just need rings of onion, guys, and I try to cut them as thin as possible. I don't like when they're thick. So guys, now I turn the burner on, and I already prepared what I'm going to be putting into the pot to make the sauce. And it's depending on how much sauce you'd like to make, guys, and how much fish you have. So I'm just going to be pouring vinegar here. With the amount of fish, I'm just going to eyeball, give an estimate. I'm not going to measure how much vinegar you want to pour. So I don't want to have too much sauce, okay guys, but I'll do that much. So that's probably like I'd say maybe a little bit over a quarter cup of vinegar. And I have the flame turned up, and then I'm going to be putting the granulated sugar. I'm just going to be putting, because of the vinegar, guys, the vinegar is very sour. You're going to just be putting a little bit of sugar here to actually I don't want to put too much sugar, like that much sugar I'll put because of the strength of the vinegar. Okay, I'm just going to be simmering. Okay, and the first thing I'm going to put is the pepper, because you want to get your pot going with the spice. Okay, flavor your pot with the spice. So I'm going to put the pepper. I'm going to be putting, after that, for flavor and I'm going to be putting the pimento seed. So that much is good. And then I'm going to be putting the carrot, because the carrot is the hardest of all, and then it takes a while to, like I would put it in first so that it softens up by the time the other things go in, the onion and the red pepper goes in. Then after that goes the onion, guys. The onion goes in next. And this thing is strong, guys. The onion and then the sweet pepper. I'm just gonna be putting in everything. So guys, I want my my veggie to be a bit crunchy. Okay, so I won't be simmering it too long. This thing is strong, guys. Oh my god, I can smell it, the vinegar. You just simmer this for like a minute, and then this is good. And then I'm gonna be turning off and then pouring it all over on and there it is, looking good with the pepper and everything. You want it, I like a lot of onions, guys, so I put a lot of onions, and that looks amazing. And that's the sauce for the Escovitch, for the fry fish. This is the Escovitch sauce. So I turn off. This thing is so strong. As I told you guys that I can't eat a lot of pepper, but like fish, I love fish, and this is Escovitch fish. You have to put the pepper with the seed and everything. So now I'm gonna be pouring it onto the fish. So guys, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, guys. Okay, and make sure you have subscribed to the channel if you have not already, and turn on your post notification bell so that you will be notified when a video has been uploaded. So guys, that's what you do. You apply all of this, all of your what you made to your fish, and you pour the vinegar over. I'm not gonna be pouring too much vinegar, guys, because the onion already has vinegar. Okay, but the choice is yours. Like if you pour as much vinegar as you like. So guys, after I allowed it to sit for a couple of minutes, then there it is, the Escovitch fish. After the fish has been fried, guys, you're gonna make your Escovitch sauce, and that is the Escovitch fish. So the Scotch bonnet pepper is a must. Okay, onion is a must, carrot, and there it is. Okay, guys, and I already tasted the fish for you, and it's the same fish. If you have not seen how I made the fish, please go over to that video and watch. So guys, let me now try the with the Escovitch sauce. I'm gonna be trying the lane snapper. So then, you know, to have your Escovitch fish, you would put your pepper, your onion, or whatever you like. Put it onto your fish and you enjoy. Let me get you to see what's going on here, guys. There it is, guys. Time for me to try to taste for you to see, okay? Good. And guys, guys, this is my eyes. I'll tell you about this pepper. It is strong. But what I wanted to say, guys, is when eating your fish, please be careful of the fine bones, okay? Be careful of the fine bones, guys. But it's good. But guys, be careful. As I said, like if you need to, take some of the seeds out, because that first bite, guys, oh my god, my throat. It was the pepper with the vinegar together. That is why you would complement the sauce with a bit of sugar, and that was what I did, okay? Because the onion along with the pepper is very strong. But I'm okay, guys. I'm okay. I thought I would need to go get some water, but this is excuse me, this is good, guys. So guys, thank you for joining me in another video, and see you in the next one. And okay, and guys, make sure you did go and watch the that cake that I baked. It was good. So guys, have a good day, and see you in the next video.